Hi, I'm Chris from Future Music. We're here on the Focal stand with Nicholas. Brand new range of Alpha monitors. He's going to take us through.
Yep, we are introducing the brand new Alpha series at Musikmesse. This line is composed of three products: Alpha 50, 5-inch, 65, 6.5 inch, and Alpha 80, 8-inch. So easy to remember. This series is mainly devoted to home studio and music creation. We have all the Focal patented technologies inside. That's to say, the inverted dome tweeter made of aluminum. Very interesting in a home studio environment because it's way more flexible in terms of sweet spots, so you will get the same sound and tonal balance all across the room. So way less.
So speaker placement and room shape is a bit less critical.
Exactly, so much more easy. For the woofer, we went for the polyglass technology, already Focal technology used on the CMS. So the same cone technology on the Alpha series, made of cellulose pulp in order to optimize the damping capabilities, and glass micro balls are added on it in order to reinforce the rigidity and avoid distortion. So very neutral sound and no distortion even at high SPL, which makes sense especially for music creation. The cabinets are all front ported with 2 ports in order to allow positioning very close from a front wall without facing the bass boost and dip problem you can face at some point. All these speakers are using 2 amplifiers class AB, 25 watts, 30 watts, 30, 70, 40, 100 watts. So a very powerful sound system. On the back of the studio monitors, you have 2 inputs, balanced XLR and balanced RCA. The RCA one is already equipped with auto compensation of the sensitivity, which means usually on studio monitors you have a switch +4, -10 dBV to compensate the difference in terms of level from balanced to unbalanced. Here it's built in, so no action needed. In the same time, if you are using audio interface that do not have enough headroom, you can avoid going to the clipping side of it and maintain it in the green light and getting a bit more headroom by this extra 6 dB switch on the back. So even if your DA doesn't allow to crank it up at the SPL you would require, you can get the benefit of extra headroom with this switch on the back. You have 2 shelvings, low frequency shelving ±6 dB, fully adjustable in order to fix some room acoustic problems if your room is a bit boomy or if it's the contrary, sucking a bit of energy in the bass. And the same goes for the high frequency. There is a high frequency shelving ±3 dB, fully adjustable to fit the speakers depending on the room acoustic and the speaker positioning as well.
And that's the same on every speaker, that
exactly
rear panel?
The same,
okay.
Yes. Interesting point, you have auto standby mode. So that means that after 30 minutes without audio signal, the speakers go automatically on standby. And then when you want to start using them again, just send audio signal and it will wake up automatically, right? On-off switch is on the top of the backplate in order to easily access it even if you position the speaker near to a front wall. So these
rather than having switches.
Exactly, where there you have two of the speakers and it's less easy this way. These speakers will be available mid of May. Price point will be €250 including taxes, 300 and 350.
Per speaker?
Yes, per speaker.
Perfect. Well, thanks for showing us, Nicholas.
Thank you.